Hope you are having a fantastic day. Welcome to today's video. Do you love shipping container cabins? Or are you planning to build a shipping container guest house in your own backyard? Then this video is for you. Stay tuned to find out more. Good, welcome back. This video brings to you MODBOX 320. This is a gorgeous one-bedroom container cabin anyone can use as a guest house in their backyard. This video brings to you a complete presentation of fully dimensioned drawings, 3D floor plans, a cost estimate checklist, and full color pictures of the exterior and interior design of the cabin. Watch the video to the end for the dimensioned floor plans and the cost estimate checklist to guide you on your own container guest house project. Feel free to subscribe to our channel for our inspiring weekly videos of modern container homes and amazing design ideas from shipping containers. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. First, we look at the design concept. This design uses two 20-foot high cube shipping containers to create a 320 plus square feet MODBOX cabin. The containers are placed parallel to each other lengthwise to form a compact accommodation cabin ideal for a guest house or a holiday cabin you can comfortably drop in your backyard and list it on Airbnb to earn some extra income. A private balcony is added to the living room to enhance outdoor living. Design brief. This gorgeous guest house made from two containers innovatively accommodates the following salient features. We have an innately designed entrance porch. We have a full bathroom, a nice private bedroom, an open plan lounge cum dining space, a small kitchenette with a small fridge and a washing machine, a private balcony, and a small mechanical room. Foundation design. The containers sit on a 250 mm reinforced concrete raft foundation. This foundation allows you to elevate the containers off the ground away from moisture. You are encouraged to observe construction good practices on concrete ratio mix, climate, and concrete curing when casting your foundation slab. For more information, you are encouraged to go through our previous presentation on the top 5 foundation types used in shipping container homes and buildings to explore an alternative foundation type you can use. Structure and modifications. The roof and the walls of shipping containers are structural and load bearing. Containers are designed to be loaded at the corners. Any intermediary loading must be reinforced. Cutting out too much steel from the container walls for doors and windows interferes with the structural integrity of shipping containers. Our design principle as shelter mode homes, we do not tamper with the roof and the floor of our shipping containers because restoring the cutouts can be quite expensive. This design has used optimal sized windows and doors which require no specialized modification to the walls of the shipping container. The cabin is covered with Shelter Mode's signature flat seam roof to protect the containers from elements and also as a design statement that gives character and aesthetic appeal to this holiday cabin. Next, we look at outdoors and exterior design. The entire approach of the cabin is fronted by an innately designed The entire approach of the cabin is fronted by an innately designed entrance porch to offer a protected entry to the guest house. In this design, the original container cargo doors are removed and fitted with full-height sliding glass doors for maximum daylighting to the living room and to seamlessly connect the cabin indoors to the outdoors. As a sustainable design statement, consider leaving the exterior of the shipping containers with its original metallic gray color and markings. This will help to preserve its charm and history in addition to reducing the cost of painting the exterior afresh. This design comes with 3 extras, which is the additional entrance porch, the private balcony to the living room, and the flat seam roof cover that protects your cabin from weather elements. All these 3 can be made using well-treated timber so that they give a bit of contrast and charm to the exterior design of your cabin. Next, we look at furniture and interior design. Fitting furniture into a shipping container home can be a challenge since most standard furniture hasn't been designed for such small spaces. In this design, we use a custom-designed sofa as a multifunctional transforming furniture to effortlessly allow us to convert the living room to perform more than one function by transforming it into a bed space at night to accommodate more guests. For more information, you are encouraged to go through our previous presentation on the top 10 modern space-saving furniture ideas for shipping container homes. To minimize the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container, the interior spaces should be given a monochrome light-colored finish. Since this is a container house, consider using similar materials to finish the kitchen backsplash and the bathroom walls. This repetitive theme creates a harmonious interior, making the house appear spacious. Consider using flat pack cabinets for the kitchen and the wardrobes to cut on time and save some money. Insulation and temperature control. Shipping containers are made of coating steel. Steel is a good conductor of heat, and therefore to live in a shipping container home, insulation and temperature control is essential, without which a container home would be like an oven in summer and freezing in winter. The climate of your location is the biggest determinant of the type of insulation or temperature control strategy to use in your shipping container house. If you are building in the cold climate, use an insulation material that will keep away the cold and moisture from the containers. Closed cell spray foam insulation will give a good solution for you. For the tropical climate, keeping out heat from your container house is of paramount importance. A layer of earthwool insulation blanket lined with plasterboard will offer the much needed solution. For more information, you are encouraged to go through our previous presentation on the top 8 insulation and temperature control strategies for shipping container homes. Next, we look at the cost estimate checklist. This is an itemized checklist to guide you on the things to consider when planning for your own shipping container project. If you feel we have omitted anything on the list, feel free to add. If there is an overprovision, you are encouraged to remove in order to compile a complete list that suits your own shipping container project. The prices of the items in the list are subject to vary depending on your country, currency exchange rate, taxes, and government regulations. For correct and factual figures, consult the relevant experts in your country. Drawings and details. This presentation comes with a complete set of fully dimensioned drawings to guide you in your own shipping container house project. The drawing set includes dimensioned floor plans, roof plans, and elevations. The drawings come in both color and grayscale to enable you pick your preference. If there are design ideas from the drawings that you like, feel free to use them on your own shipping container project. If you want to buy blueprints of this house design or any other design from our YouTube channel, feel free to contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on Facebook and send us a message. So, what do you feel about this house design? Do you like it? Or do you have any questions? Feel free to ask by posting in the comments below. If you need further inspiration, visit our YouTube channel to check out our other container homes designs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our channel for our weekly videos on shipping container homes. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.